My version of a hard-boiled egg in the microwave. First, set the microwave to 2 minutes, a power level of 40. Then in a 1 cup measure, add 3/4 of a cup of water and put the egg in it. Okay, now place the egg into the oven. And at this point, you want to stop the oven. Take the egg out, which is a poached egg at this point, with a soft center. Make sure it's free of the bottom of the cup. Put it back in the microwave and finish cooking. Okay, here's the cooked egg. Remove it from the measuring cup. And if you like, you can separate the yolk from the white. And that's it. You got the yolk separated from the white, hard-boiled egg. 2 minutes in the microwave.